Hi guys, my name is Daphne. I'm a member of the R3 Feed Farm. Today is actually my birthday, so I just turned 34. I'm so excited that this happened in this season where I get this opportunity to work on myself. So before I joined R3, I always felt like I was too busy for life. My day would revolve around work. Uh, and I felt like I didn't have enough time for anything else, really. Like I was too busy, back to back. I would get home at night and just too exhausted, and I would just drop, I just wanted to rest. So I would reward myself. I'd feel like I worked too hard during the day, so I'd look for sugar, I would look for carbs, and really I was in this roller coaster that was not ending. Uh, so working out was really not a priority to me. Health wise, when I joined, I wanted to lose around 44 lbs because I felt like I was around 44 lbs overweight, and so far I've lost 13 lbs. I feel better, I sleep better, I fit into my clothes better. I think today I wore a dress that I've not gotten to wear for almost 2 years now. But I was so excited when I fit into this dress. So it's really been good for me, for my self-confidence. I'm able to walk out of the house and feel good about myself. So I feel like when I decided to make time for this program, I felt like I had hit rock bottom. There was really nowhere else to go but up. Yeah, when you're down there, the only way to go is up. So I made time, and really we are only as busy as our priorities. So when I decided to make my health a priority, I honestly found that I had a lot of time to give to my health. My busy schedule suddenly didn't seem as busy, so that really helped. And the fact that after I work out, I sleep better. When I have a more active life, then I sleep better, I'm better rested, so tomorrow I'm able to handle my job, I'm able to come home and just get enough rest. I don't have any kids, but I did go through the phase where I wondered if I would I be able to I have a really tight budget, so I wasn't sure how I would handle my finances. But again, like I just said before, your priorities, really, if something is important to you, then you find a way around it. And if we trust God for our needs, He always provides. So I found that during the season that I've been part of the R3 Fit Farm, it really isn't an issue for me, because the rewards, it's my body. Like, why else do I wake up in the morning if I will not put my health first? Yeah, so I just chose to make this a priority, and I found that this is amazing. I found that when I cut out the carbs and the sugar, I found that the budget that I had for those things was way more interesting. Was way more than my budget for the fit lifestyle. It covers my diet, it covers my R3 Fit Farm fee. So really, it's a win-win, because I get to cut out the carbs and I redirect my funds to my healthy lifestyle. Yay, win. So yeah, so that for me worked. I didn't know how much money I spent on carbs, for starters. So when I joined R3, the R3 Strong Challenge, about 2 months ago, I did wonder if it would work. But by the time I joined the LBD challenge, I was sure that it was going to work, because as I listened to Coach Crystal during the Whoop the Scale workshop, and her explanations, and how she was going to be there for me, how she would train my mind, the mind shift coaching, the accountability. Like I immediately knew that is what I was missing all this time, because I did the big box gym, I did fat diets, the cleanses, but none of those programs actually cared or wanted to know how I was doing. I remember my last gym membership ended when I went through a phase where I was unwell, and nobody ever called me to find out why I am letting my gym membership slip. Nobody ever, even when I went to clear out my locker, nobody asked me, what's going on? Are you okay? How have you been doing? So I find that the accountability and the follow-up in the R3 Revolve Life Method really helped. And I knew that was definitely going to work. I was absolutely sure about that. And this is different because it's not a gym, it's a lifestyle. And you get empowered in a way that it boosts your confidence. The thinking that I was made this way, we are big in our family, is erased, and you realize that you just need some self-love. You just need to love yourself enough to care about what goes in and how you treat your body. So for me, the R3 method, I knew that it would work because it was a lifestyle, really, and the people behind it are willing to walk with me through this journey and help me to, well, take control of my life. The reason why other programs didn't work, I think I was the factor, because once a program ended, then it ended. So I would go back to my ways. So definitely I would gain all the weight back, and yeah, it was, so every time it happened, you feel a bit lower. It's just too discouraging. So I stopped joining the diets. I stopped trying until I came across the R3 Fit family, which has been really great for me. Well, like I said, this is definitely it, and there's no going back. This is a lifestyle. The training that I get here, I will keep doing this for the rest of my life. It's not for the LBD challenge and then I go back to my old ways, as I like to call them. Yeah. So this is it. This is, I find that like on my birthday, I still got to choose healthy food, and everybody was shocked. But I'm glad that my family, my friends, they were so supportive of me, and even my birthday gifts revolved around the things that I need to keep up with my new lifestyle. So I'm super grateful for my sisters. I'm super grateful for my brothers and my closest friends, because really, what you really need is a support system. A really good support system will really help you in this journey. And R3 is that for me, honestly. R3 is that for me. The support is amazing. I am so grateful I'm so grateful that I found R3, and I just pray that I just pray that it works, and I know that it will, because I am willing to put in the work. And Coach Crystal is there with me every step of the way, and the R3 Fit Farm as well. So I'm so confident that it's going to work. I have lost a total of 13 lb so far, and 27 inches all around, and it's been 2 months since I joined, although with a break in between the 2 challenges. I took a 2-week break, but yeah, technically it's been about 2 months, and I've already lost enough weight for me to fit into clothes that no longer fit. Yeah, so I'm so grateful. I hope this will encourage someone. You guys go ahead and have a great day.